nakugira ngo twatsigazayo few sub-regions ezitukine mu mashomero bengiye gutakabazire Katoro, Kigezi, Karamoja and Rwenzori. So as the 4 sub-regions zitukine mu amashomero bengiye gutaka kozireki agutakabazire. Na regions nkaza ankore nezindi nazo tukaziherizeje konka twakavaringira cyangwa umugasho bwo kubara abana nigasho mugasho gwa baseline education census hato mu Rwanda tayo ni collecting ngo baguri gwa planning purposes collecting data kureba ngo ihanga ryatekatecera abantu bari so nico kimwe nano mukushoma tubara amashomeraga n'abana bari umukwe na Ministry of Education ekama nyimuhendo gw'abantu gutwino mu ihanga haba haro amashomeraga ine poor infrastructure nachi batungo kubaga developing we hope to akora census yekumibera bernena iba international population and housing census kaguma tushoza results twashoza final results twabagambira abanyarwanda twino mu ihanga miliyoni 85.9 roughly 46 million Ugandans twaguma tubaha data twabaha preliminary and main report hati tukashoza kiri kitweta district area profiles ezo area profiles nebito hiro mukubara abanyarwanda district area profiles zina information we had a district mpaka ha parish level. Let's say you are in a certain district, maybe let's say Mbarara district. So those area profiles will release have information of Mbarara as a district, then the counties within Mbarara district, counties are Namashad constituencies. Then from that to the counties, rather sub-counties, Amagombora, up to parish level. No enda kumanya omurka guma abantu bakwingana ki. Okay, like Karamoja, issues nyingi zikaziri Karamoja sub-region. Omurka Karamoja sub-region. Kwa country mu region zinyingi, ebintu bikajyana improving. For example, natwaza kwereka the general percentage 81.1% at Uganda's population. Is it umunyangore ni 81? That's chinana ni mwe point that one nakateka kama hari. So, noreba ngu 81.1% abanyarwanda John Pazezi y'abanyarwanda bako accessing amezi marungi. So cyo chikwereka ngo hakabaho improvement.